hello.
Hi.
It's Arnuna.
How are you?
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Wow,
Oh,
look at
that's
that.
awesome.
Straight.
Hi everyone, it's Elle from 4 months ago. Thank you so much for hanging in there on my channel. I appreciate it. I have been going a long time and I had to take a break, but now I'm back. So enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy our 22 years of anniversary footage that I'm going to put up today. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thumbs up if you want to see more. Okay, here's a little room tour of my room that I'm staying in. This is the Bohemian Celebration Hotel Downtown Celebration. I used to live here, but now we decided to get a room here because our cruise is going out of Port Canaveral. So we're very, very close to the port here. And this is such a pretty hotel. I just had to show you real quick what it looks like. There's coffee, a coffee maker, hair dryer. There's me. Hi. Hey everybody. And some cute little lotions and shower caps and vanity sets and things like that. And pretty artwork and wall sconces. Here I am again. And if you want to know the details of this outfit, let me know. I have Snowball just for a minute because he's getting boarded. So here is the closet. There's a safe, iron, and some really plush, luscious robes. I love luscious robes when I stay at a hotel. It just makes me get a spa-like feeling. It gives me spa vibes. There's a luggage holder in there as well. Here's my new luggage. If you want to see a review, let me know. That's Chanel. And here's the room. There's a cute map on the wall. I love this headboard. This is so bohemian. With the mop on the pillow, this is just stunning. The fall colors and the floors, I love this. The faux paintings on the mirror, I don't know if this is faux etching or what do you call it? They gave us some wine, but of course we don't drink. But it's nice to have if you are a drinker. There's a TV. And I really love that stunning shiplap on top of the ceiling, as well as in the bathroom. There it is, right there. So this is so pretty. Here's the bed. Stunning. I love the bohemian vintage vibes in here with the lamps. There's Snowball. And this is our room. It's so pretty. I feel like a home in here. It's very cozy. Lovely. And here's our view. That's Downtown Celebration. And I used to live actually west of this. And I just love it. This is the Pond Downtown Celebration. The old movie theater. And it brings back so many memories, but now we live in Palm Beach. And I wouldn't trade that for anything. I would rather be on the ocean, but I love a water view. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up.
vlog about what?
Me and you. We're at the Gucci store. The line is very long. It is. I'm trying to get a box for my bag.
For the husky gentleman, you can't really get these belts too much because what ends up happening is this hole will stretch out of shape over time, and then eventually it won't really buckle. It will just pop out because this will become oblong. So you gotta get the something with an actual buckle.
Okay.
Hold it.
So it's 𝐸𝑚�𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔 Glam. Mr. Traveler drinking water right there. We've been in the Gucci store. Excuse the way I look because I've been at Epcot all day. But I just want to introduce Sweetheart Butterfly Jelly Bean in the Gucci store in Orlando. If you ever in Orlando, make sure you come and see her.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm Ikram. Nice meeting you.
So nice
and I'll
to
be
meet
so
you.
happy to see you again and to
Thank
help
you.
you.
And she even brought us water. Oh my God. You got to come here. You'll be pampered. You'll love it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Nice meeting you guys.
Me too.
Thank you.
On to my purse. I'm going to show you my purse.
That's the one, right?
Oh, yeah. That's it.
Yep.
Thank you so much.